Hey there, glad to see you once again. Want to know a bit more about AceAim's Agile Delivery Training Program? Here is one of the many things that set us apart. Skills are not studied, but they are experienced. We believe that Agile is a mindset which cannot be achieved without proper experience. Let me tell you a joke to explain things better. Jack, a very scholarly man, goes to fish, accompanied with the poor boat owner. Jack is a very egoistic man, so he asks the poor man, "Hey, do you know how to swim?" The boat owner replies, "Yes sir, I swim every day." Jack, with a smirk on his face, asks him, "So what's your favorite stroke? The back stroke, the front stroke, the butterfly stroke or the breast stroke?" The poor man, knowing nothing about the terminologies, looks away and Jack continues to belittle him. But then things take a turn. The boat is turned upside down and now Jack is drowning. Jack screams for help. "Help me, help me." The boat owner replies to him by saying, "You know so much about swimming, try the breaststroke. It sounded fun." I hope you get the point. We don't want you to be Jack. We provide you with a solid ScrumMaster Certification exam preparation, and with that we provide you hands-on training with real-life projects so that you are not only a theoretical master but also someone who knows how to get the job done. So why wait? Register now to our free webinar by clicking on the registration button below. By joining this webinar, you'll get to know more about our teaching methodologies and get to enroll in AceAim's Agile Delivery Training Program. Let's all lead into the future.